afternoon, everyone from KICC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this Nyandoya is my name, and behind me is a statue of Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, so you know that this is KICC. So today we will be looking at the new fountain that is being built here in Kenyatta International Convention Center. Sindio? I always confuse the initials. Yeah, so we'll be looking at the fountain. The fountain you can see is behind me. It will be one of the largest fountains here in East Africa. So let's have a look at it. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? So this guy is trying to make a way for the pipes that will be connecting the water fountain here. They are so busy. So they had to undo the tiles and redo it again. Yeah. Good job. What's your name?
My name is Caleb Omwera.
Caleb Omwera.
Ebea.
Wemulamu.
Dimuramu.
Aye.
Dimulusha.
Demulusha.
Waturai.
Hey, imeisha. Maneno imeishia hapo. So guys, this is the fountain. Kenyatta International Convention Center in Nairobi is set to unveil a state-of-the-art dancing fountain and making a significant enhancement to its facilities and aiming to boost tourism and the city global appeal. So this is it, guys. This is the small one actually. I'll also take you to the big ones. Hey, it's a whole, hey, this is good. So this one I think is for the lighting, and this one is for the water, and now this one is where the pipes will be connected through this place. Interesting. So let's have a look at the fountain. So let's talk about the technological innovation here. This fountain will incorporate advanced robotics and artificial intelligence, enabling water jets to move in perfect harmony with both traditional and contemporary Kenyan music. That is so nice. Especially when I hear of Kenyan music. That is so nice. So this is what is happening over here, guys. Look at this. And then the sustainability. The installation is designed with environmental responsibility in mind, being powered entirely by solar energy. I guess. Sasa, is it using solar energy or electricity? Electricity. Hi. All right, guys, it's not solar energy, it's electricity, which is good. So when the power goes off, the water fountain goes off. Okay. All right, it will also showcase culture, which performances will be synchronized with the Kenyan cultural music, celebrating the country's rich musical heritage. And then the inaugural event, a special event is scheduled on March, I think end of March or something. It was supposed to be done during the Safari Rally flag off, but I can see still they are not ready yet. So maybe the date has been pushed. I'm not sure of the actual date. So it will showcase the fountain in action, accompanied by live music and special effects. The development positions KICC as a premier destination for both local and international visitors, enhancing Nairobi profile as global tourism and conference hub. This is interesting for everyone. Welcome to Nairobi. And then where the statue of Mzee Jomo Kenyatta has been maintained so well with flowers all around. And who are building this? I think it's a Chinese guy, because I saw a Chinese guy just behind this. So this is KICC, guys. Very beautiful place. Now let's have a look at the other section, the main fountain. Actually, this is the small fountain. We're going to have a look at the main fountain, and then if you look at this, you'll see this, they are movable, guys. So I think they'll be moving when the fountain is dancing, which is so good. And then this one is for the lighting, as I told you guys. Hey, these men, they are really working hard. Look at this. Engineers in the house. Okay. So this is where they'll include the pipes, guys. That's why they are undoing it and then they will redo it again. Oh, too much work going on here. So let's go to the other side and see what's really happening. Meanwhile, this is KICC, guys. A very beautiful place. When you are in Nairobi, you can visit KICC. Don't be scared. This is a public place, so no one will ask you anything when you come here. And then on the other side is the judiciary. Okay. So guys, this is the main fountain. And it looks so good. Look at the nozzles and the lights. Beautiful. I think this will be the biggest in East Africa, I guess. I'm not sure. Big machines. Wow, there is water. Nice. KICC. Mice. Why is it written KICC mice? KICC mice. Even has speakers. This is so beautiful. This is a nice project. Very nice. So this is the other side, guys. You know, there are two. There are actually three of them. There is one on this side, and then the other one is on that side, and then the third one is on that side, the small one. But these, I understand, are the main ones. You can see the engineers are there over working on it. I think they are counting the number of nozzles. Hey, interesting. One thing I'm sure of, I'm not going up there, guys. I will not go up there. So if you know why this building was built with this structure, let me know in the comment section why they chose this structure. So that's also one of the architects. Oh, there's another fountain, guys. Let me show you. And then this is the presidential way. This is where our president passes through when he's coming to KICC without interference of other people. Oh, this one is looking good. Wow. So I can't wait for them to launch it. I think it will be excellent. It will really look nice and beautiful with the dancing waters. And then, you know, KICC is free for everyone. Everyone can come and visit. So it will be a good tourist attraction, both local and international. So these are the lights, and then the nozzles, guys. Guys, I just understand there are more, I think more than 4 fountains. I think there are 5 fountains. Yeah, there's another one inside. I think I'll show it to you guys. Let me go and show it to you guys. The sun is shining. KCC, the architecture of KCC is so nice. That one I can tell you for free. The place is amazingly beautiful. Wow. 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 Harambe. So guys, this is the second fountain, but it hasn't been finished yet. I think they're just remaining with putting the nozzles and the lights, and I think the equipment is ready here, so they'll just work on it and then maybe release the water. But I think the inside one has no effect like the outside one. Yeah. The Kenyatta International Convention Center, that's the name, guys. The place is amazingly beautiful, with Nairobi buildings looking so good and showing off. CBK Pension Towers. CBK Pension Towers. We have the Kenya Revenue Authority. And what is a building, do you know? That is Bunge Towers. It's not even allowed to take a photo of Bunge Towers. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Jumba la mikutano la Kenyatta. Naweza lipia lakini sasa niko busy nachukua video. Ndakuja. Utanipeleka? Ndakuja. So guys, this is the other fountain. Hey, today I've shown you all the fountains. So this is the other one also. So there are a couple of them. So if you come to KICC, you will enjoy a couple of the fountains. KICC is also a tourist attraction. You'll find many tourists are coming here to have a look at KICC and the beauty of KICC, guys. Yeah, even me, I'm enjoying. The lighting is so good on this side. I am enjoying. Ooh. Savo Ballroom. I don't know what happens at the Savo Ballroom. Guys, if you are in the comment section and you know what really happens at the Savo Ballroom, please let us know. So guys, that's just about it. The Kenyatta International Convention Center water fountain. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something about it today. Yeah, this is what is being constructed. It's almost done, actually. I think it's done. They're just remaining a little touches here and there, and then the place will be officially launched. Yeah. Okay, on the other side you can see the engineers are busy. You see, they're all looking. I don't know what's really happening. They're trying to fix things so that they can be in order. So thank you so much everyone for watching this beautiful vlog up to the end, and I shall see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed every little bit of my KICC developments. It's just a little development, but it is good. It will have a huge impact for our country. Yeah, we love dancing fountains. So So once again, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and this Nyando is my name. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you who supports me. To my member, thank you so much for being an outstanding loyal member. Rami Salo, asante sana. Bye. Memaliza. Hey, asante. Haya. Bye. Ah. Let me see if I'll use the other gate to exit. Hey, I have a friend here. I usually have a friend on this side, so I'm going to say hi and then I'll go home. I really love the landscape of KICC. It's well done. And then it's clean. The places are so well marked. Very nice. Very, very nice. When you come to KICC, do you usually come to this side? Please, if you don't come to this side, you need to come to this side also and see. Hi. How are you? Okay, bye. Yeah, it's good to be good to everyone. The sun is so good. I like it, guys. This is my outfit, and these shoes are my favorite, guys. These shoes are thrifted but from Decathlon. Hey, these shoes, I can walk with them even for 5 hours without being tired. Now this is the parking lot. Hey guys, welcome. This is undisclosed location. Yes, around the world. It's just to begin from. Guys, my phone is